The Honda Civic has been one of the most identifiable vehicles since it was first introduced in 1972. Originally a small car with excellent fuel efficiency, the Civic has evolved into a contemporary vehicle with cutting-edge technology and athletic performance. 2026 Honda Civic updates. The Civic is expected to maintain its aggressive and aerodynamic exterior design for the concept 2026 in order to give it a more modern appearance. Improved engine performance. The 2026 Civic is anticipated to stick with the tried-and-true gasoline engines, including the 1.5L turbo and 2.0L normally aspirated. These engines can provide more power and fuel efficiency by improving the injection system and fine-tuning the turbo settings. Improved control accuracy. Years of racing experience have improved the Civic's suspension and chassis components, making for a more stable and responsive ride. Stronger and lighter materials. The newest Civic is likely to feature stronger but lighter parts to improve overall performance and fuel efficiency. The Honda Civic's aggressive appearance, powerful engine, and nimble handling make it a popular choice in the market for small sedans. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.